How to change WhatsApp to another phone without SIM card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change WhatsApp to another phone without SIM card. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the settings on the bottom right. Now after you're there, you should find an option called account. It's right below linked devices. So tap on account and there you should find an option called change phone number. Head over there and there, as you can see right on the description, you can use this feature to migrate your account info, groups and settings from your current phone number to a new phone number. And after you tap on next, you will see you'll need to confirm your old number and then just type in your new number and then head over to the next option and follow through the process, and that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.